The February kit is going to be using the Grand Tall Prima Hardware chipwork album. It is 6.5 by 9. On the exterior, it has 6 really thick chipboard pages. Angela is using the Klimt collection by Stamperia. The chipboard pieces are beautiful. I just love these images. I don't know, they just make my heart so happy. She has taken the 8x8 pattern paper, which includes all of the images in a little bit smaller of size down from the 12x12, and that way you can really use them in this Grand Tall album. They're just beautiful. She also has included the chipboard pieces, and here a couple of them are. They are also beautiful, the same imagery and beautiful artistic, I mean, they're just gorgeous. It's so unique. It's such a great line. I mean, I see this as a album for you or for a loved one. You know, everybody had this poster. When I was in college, it was just one of those things that you looked at and made you feel so happy. So she's taken those, and then also the background selections, which is all of these wonderful backgrounds. And those are, in the kit, are the 12x12 maxi pad. And so you can really see the images and pop those embellishments right out. Anyway, this is a gorgeous line. We have some standard pictures down below. Check them out, and we will be shipping this kit on the 15th.